What's going on, YouTube? If you're here because you're interested in finding a list of all the words that rhyme with orange, you're in the wrong place. But if you're here to watch me install this third brake light on 2006 Ford F-150, you're in the right place. Stay tuned. Alright guys, we're going to do a quick unboxing for you guys real quick so you can see what the light looks like before it actually gets installed. We're going to use Mr. Handy Dandy Knife here to open up the box for ourselves. Alright, so as you can see, it is a black, smoked out, my phone's dinging. It's a nice, this is the third brake light. This will fit any 2004 to 2008 model of your Ford F-150. If you guys have been following along with everything that I've been doing on my channel recently, you guys know that I've recently installed blacked out headlights as well as blacked out taillights. So this little third brake light right here will completely complete the ensemble. The switching out of your stock one to this one is going to be super easy, super fast, and very inexpensive as well, as I believe this guy was only $28, $29. I don't remember off the top of my head, but it was very inexpensive, and the process to switch it out is very cheap, almost no tools at all required. Just gonna be a good time. Let's get started. Alright guys, so as we are driving to the place where we're gonna be doing the installation at, I need to take a quick poll from you guys watching at home. So, as it stands right now, I have the opportunity to purchase a truck bed topper for my truck. So if you guys know what I'm talking about, it's like the thing that almost makes it look like an SUV, completely covers the truck bed, but it's the same height as like the cabin of the truck. I'm sure you guys know exactly what I'm talking about, but I have the opportunity to purchase one of those for like, I mean, it's like a steal of a price. The person is offering it to me for like $60 because they just want it gone, basically. It color matches my truck right now, but I would be more so purchasing it because of my future plans for the F-150. I will show you guys in another video, probably tomorrow, what those plans are that I'm specifically talking about. But ultimately, I want to completely like Raptor line this entire truck in olive green, or like, you know, the military army tank green. I want to, like, you know, nickname the truck the Tank. I want to put a 6-inch lift on it. I want to put 37-inch mud terrain tires on it. I want to make this thing into a true one-of-a-kind beast. To be honest, like, even though, yeah, I've already done a lot of different things to this truck to completely change the look of it, that's the good thing about having one of these models of trucks, is that you can do so many different things to it, because like the base of it is just so perfect for doing any type of customizations that you want to it. So leave in the comments below, do you guys think I should get a truck bed topper for the truck? We're gonna get into the light installation. Let's go. Alright guys, so this is the third brake light. These are the ones that come stock on your 2004 to 2008 F-150s. The removal of these guys is super simple. You've got two Phillips head screws, one right there and one right there, that you gotta take off. Phillips head screwdriver, and you gotta remove it. Okay, so after you've got screws 1 and 2 out, you'll just pull back on this guy right here, revealing the wiring right here. Let's see if I can get a little bit more room. Okay, so as you can see, we've got 1 bulb, 2 bulb, and 3 bulbs. So similar to what you did with, see if this, all right, that's good. All right, so similar to what you did with the headlight and the taillight removal, where you're just twisting the bulb and pulling back, same concept with this right here. Twist and remove. Twist and remove. And this third one wants to be a little bit difficult. But there we go. Pop these two pins out. It really is that simple, guys. This is your stock one. Now time to replace it with the new one. Just in case you guys didn't catch that, when I said pop these little pins out, there's this guy right here and this guy right here, and those guys went in to this hole and this hole. So when you guys are replacing it with your new one, you've got this chrome hole right here and that chrome hole right there. Those are gonna be what you're lining these plugs into. And before you install the new one, go ahead and give a quick look to see if it looks like there's any like water damage or leakage going in right here. That's a pretty common problem with these trucks, a lot of leakage from where the third brake light is. I don't see any water damage. I haven't seen any water damage or anything on the inside of my cabin, so I'm gonna assume that, you know, I'm not leaking anywhere, so I know I'm good to go ahead and just install the new one. All right, the only thing left to do now is to take the bulbs, stick them back in, twist them, and line up those prongs we talked about. Alright, now you can dry fit it up and see how much better it looks. Now the only thing left to do is take your screws, put them back in. Alright, and there it is, guys. I will say this, you definitely probably want to use a hand tool for doing the screws on these things, because you don't want to tighten it down too much and accidentally like crack this thing. You can really feel when to stop and everything when you're using a hand tool. So the only thing I would really suggest is, you know, doing this guy, but other than that, it really is that simple, guys. I think it looks awesome. Whew. And that's it, guys. It really is that simple, that fast, and that easy to do. It is hotter than an oven outside right now. Like 15 minutes being outside and I am just sweating up a storm. But I really appreciate you guys watching this video. Hopefully it helped you. Hopefully it inspires you. So real quick before the video ends, in addition to the potential truck topper that I might be getting, it's gonna really be a lot up to you guys. Just leave in the comments below if you guys want me to pull the trigger and get it. I think it could look really awesome, and it could also help me do a lot of things that I want to do with this truck. Like I want to completely, like I want to make this into like a full-on utility vehicle. Like I want to be able to go camping, you know, I want to be able to, like, you know, just do a bunch of stuff like overnight in this truck. So I think the topper would be really, really helpful with that. But stay tuned for my next video, because I'm going to be announcing something that I'm super excited about. Like, I'm not just saying this, guys. Like, I had the idea on Friday and I was like, dude, that would be awesome. Like, and it really just like kind of captures why I started this entire channel in the first place. It's gonna hopefully draw a lot more, you know, engagement from you guys and help you guys like really more so be a part of this channel, instead of just like watching me do all this stuff. It'll actually help you guys like get to be a part of it too. It'll make more sense when you guys actually see the video. So be on the lookout for that video. Honestly, I might do a double upload today. I might, you know, do another upload tomorrow morning. I haven't decided yet, but hopefully you guys liked this video. Hopefully it was helpful to you guys. Some old people don't know how to drive. Anyways, sorry. Thanks for watching this video. We will catch you on the next one.